my rank department, the faculties have been.
Okay, we can be honest, I guess.
Yeah, I
But
think we should
yeah.
takes FD. आगे जाके कौन सा post पे they can work. Whereas after spending 20 lakhs, we have come to this question. Do you roughly spend on fabrics in a month? क्या आपके faculty आपको internship ला के देते हैं? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mai Sovlani and I'm a second year student at NIFT Shillong and I'm pursuing fashion communication. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the career opportunities and the overview of fashion communication and comparing it with fashion design. So today, I have a very special guest and my senior, Sassy Sandhya, on my channel.
Hello everyone,
And Sassy Sandhya is back,
I'm back.
but on my channel.
हाँ, but not.
क्यों is that? कैसा लग रहा है आपको मेरे channel पे आके?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Yeah, and I'm talking to the camera after so long,
Yeah.
and especially on YouTube.
And one of my it was there on my bucket list to make a video with her
Oh
after
my
I come back.
God.
So yeah, that is happening.
And currently I'm in 6th semester, so we'll be talking about and giving an overview of our departments and also all the opportunities that she was talking about. So yeah, we can start.
Yes, a fashion communication department includes of how you communicate fashion, how you communicate a brand's idea to the public, to people. It includes social media, it includes PR, it includes branding, photography, visual merchandising, window display that you see in malls. So basically communicating in a unique way to the public of what you want, of the brand's idea, of the brand's tagline, to the public is fashion communication and fashion design.
All over FD, fashion design, you get to learn how to construct garments, then how you work on surfaces like creating embellishment, embroidery, and all the other techniques. Then also handling a machine, a sewing machine, and then you can do styling. And
So talking about the cutoff of FD and FC, I think cutoff of FD and FC is equally competitive because FD was the flagship course and FC now is slowly and gradually becoming the flagship course because it is very high in demand. So for if you want to do FD and FC, either ways you have to really work hard. So talking about my rank was 1483 in the sense that was my all India rank.
And mine was 2229, and again in the general category. But yes, we are here now.
Yes, we are
NIFT
here
Shillong.
now. Talking about the faculty for the fashion communication department, the faculties have been
Okay.
the faculty.
Yeah, but talking about my department, I feel some faculties are fine and some faculties are not. But okay, anyway, they are faculties.
You're getting flashbacks.
Yeah.
Jury के flashbacks.
हाँ, jury के flashbacks. Mainly they change during the jury. But again, I think every Niftian knows the, hustle, struggle and everything. And but ठीक है, faculty के aspect में जाए तो FD का it's fine. You get to learn. They don't teach you. Like the thing is, you have to acquire the knowledge by yourself. They teach you the basics, and then उसके बाद it's just on you how you can utilize that. And FC का Shillong का scene, what do you want to say?
Yeah, so if I talk about FC in Shillong, I wouldn't say it is the best department here because I think AD is doing better than both FC
I
and
would say
FD.
that.
So it is not the best department with the best faculty, to be very honest. But yes, if I talk about just the department and the courses and the subject, it is fantastic. It is amazing if you are interested. And the faculties that we have are PhDs and doctors. So we are happy with that whatever we have, they are best of best. But still, I think we can do better.
Yes, I agree on the subject. The item she was talking about is actually like a minor subject for every department. Like suppose she is in FC, so she has to choose something of the other department so that you can acquire the skills. For me, like my IDM is again we have the same
IDM,
FMS.
yeah.
And I would say that is the best combination mainly for FD. What do you want to say?
About FC also, I feel fashion communication with fashion management, if you want to ever start your own startup or if you have you want to understand management, and if you want to understand business in depth, I think it is a very good combination. There's one more thing called deepening specialization, which is DS. So you start.
Okay. For me, in FD you get 3 DS option. That is, one is couture, second is styling, and the third is a technical garment thing, which is
There is a third.
yeah, there is a third. But the thing is, people don't usually take that, and minimum of 10 people should be there.
for that subject to run.
हाँ, so third वाला नहीं है because there were not much people. And for couture, it's basically it mostly focuses on intricate things and creating creative patterns and all. And for styling, it includes all the, like, you can do. So I
Styling basically includes how you style garments, because fashion styling is also there in fashion communication. So that is a intersecting point. So for DS, that is deepening specialization. For FC, they offer 4 subjects, that is fashion media, and journalism. Then they have fashion styling. Then they have UI UX and visual communication. So now there is this new rule that has come for our year, not for their years, that each campus can offer only 2 DS. So this time the DS that is running for us is fashion media and fashion styling. So we do not have UI UX or visual communication. So for these two, I have chosen fashion media. I have not yet started deepening, but as far as I know, mostly in fashion media, you have to do script writing, you have to do filmmaking, you have to edit the film, which is video editing, and then you have to also do news anchoring. That is what I've heard from my seniors. And when it comes to fashion styling, they again talking about the same thing. You have to fashion styling in FC is not really related to garment always. What our seniors have done in fashion styling is they have also done food plating and then food photography, and then they have also done garment, learn makeup and hairstyle, and all of that is also there. So if somebody takes FD, आगे जाके कौन सा post पे they can work, where can they work, what are the opportunities that you see for yourself or and for others?
Fast, and you get to work in very many different fields. Like, you can definitely be a fashion designer. You can also, later in life, you can also turn into the textile part, and you can go be a textile designer. And then for the new age careers, you have again fashion lawyer, then fashion career.
Fashion stylist भी लोग बनते हैं FD लेके.
Really, as for now, I'm not that sure if I want to run a brand, and because I'm in that phase where I have to yet go to like for my internship. After that, I think थोड़ा clear होगा what I.
When it comes to career opportunities for FC, we have a very very vast course. It is not we have people in FC who are not even interested in fashion. So we have people in FC who are interested in fashion, who are not interested in fashion, who are just, if you come into FC and if you talk about the career opportunities in fashion communication, you can become a UI UX designer, which is it is a very growing field. Then you can become a fashion stylist, and you can also become a visual merchandiser. Get into 3D, 2D animation. You can also get into interior design through fashion communication. So fashion communication is very vast. They teach you a lot of things, but it is also up to you of what do you want to learn.
Field is not bounded. Like, you can.
There is no limit to
There's
your.
no limit, yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि FC वाले सिर्फ FC का काम कर रहे हैं, FD वाले सिर्फ FD का काम कर रहे हैं, बट उनका मेजर इंटरेस्ट इज दैट, क्योंकि वो लोग को खुद से चूज कर रहे हैं. देयर आर पीपल इन AD एंड TD हु वांटेड ईदर FD और FC, बट उनको नहीं मिला तो वो उसको IDM में लेके कर रहे हैं. बट कंक्लूजन दैट वी हैव कम इनटू मेरे 4th सेमेस्टर और इनके 6th सेमेस्टर में इज दैट डिजाइन कैन नॉट बी टॉट. It has to be self-learned. Yes. After spending 20 lakhs, we have come to this conclusion. So the extra expenses that we have to do individually in FC and FD. So coming to FC, you have to have a very good laptop, which is preferably a gaming laptop or a very high processor laptop, because you generally learn Adobe softwares and you learn DaVinci and all of these softwares, AutoCAD and all of these softwares that run simultaneously. So a very good high processor laptop is advised. And if you're interested in photography, there is no they don't force you to get a camera, but you should get a camera. Even I don't have a camera yet. And an iPad depends on if you are interested in illustration and if you want to come into FD.
So for
they
FD,
have a long list.
Yeah, we do. For FD, we already get all the things. Like, we have one lab for like with the sewing machines and all. Then we have the another lab for pattern making, where you get your own dress form. For जो अलग material है वो it's basically pattern making papers. Then you get other tools, the required tools, the grading scale and fabrics. वो तो
How much do you roughly spend on fabrics in a month or in a semester?
Oh my god. In couture, we had heritage couture for last sem, and I was working on this brocade wala dress, and that cost me around just the fabric cost me around 4,000. Just the fabric, okay. थोड़ा ही फैब्रिक था, इतना नहीं था, बट बिकॉज इट वॉज ब्रोकेड. माई फैब्रिक्स अच्छा लगता है, एंड I can show you that I have a lot of fabrics that I have still not used. Then coming to the other things, I would say that you can invest in a good sewing machine if you're interested. And I would say if you don't have, get one iPad, because later you get to do digital illustration and all. Internship.
आप कौन से इंटर्नशिप पे जाने का सोच रहे हो और क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज, क्या आपके फैकल्टी आपको इंटर्नशिप ला के देते हैं?
6 सेमेस्टर के बाद यू गेट योर फर्स्ट समर इंटर्नशिप दैट इज ऑफ ड्यूरेशन ऑफ 2 months, एंड उसके बाद फॉर FD in the 8th semester, that is the last semester, we have the option of creating our own collection, that is DC, or either we can do is GP, that is graduation project. वो दो ऑप्शन होते हैं FD के लिए, and I guess you guys just have
Yeah, we only get the option of doing graduation project, which is internship, and we are very happy with that. हमें नहीं करना design collection वलेक्शन.
तो वो duration उसका होता है 4 months, I guess, right? हाँ. In FD 3 sector में export, retail and designer house is you have to go in any one of them. And यहाँ पे specially faculty say you कि export या retail में जाओ for summer internship, because designer house doesn't mostly give their garments for your summer internship, and it gets hard during jury to show your garment.
Internship दोनों के same होते हैं. We have a summer internship that we have to do after the 6th semester, and we have a graduation project which we have to do for the entire 8th semester. So we have our seniors working right now in different companies. So उसके लिए you have to build a good portfolio. So उसमें generally क्या होता है that you make your own portfolio and you apply to different companies. It should be related to your course. So it can be graphic designing, it can be photography, it can be UI UX. You have to get it approved from faculties. You have to, yeah. And coming to portfolio.
For portfolio in FD, it's like all the project. I'll suggest you do your assignments very nicely so that you can put it out in your portfolio. क्योंकि बाद में बहुत दिक्कत होता है to manage time and create new projects. You can put your collections that you have developed, even your swatches, embroidery swatches, or if you have done any styling projects. हाँ वैसे, and it's just on you how you put up your portfolio.
When it comes to fashion communication, you basically upload your assignments on Behance and you make a portfolio out of that, and then you can also use Figma templates and you can use Figma to build your portfolio. So you basically have a soft copy of portfolio, but for them they also have a hard copy.
We do have to create hard copies, but again when you send when you send the portfolio to brands, you can't send the hard copies. So
exactly.
You have to make soft copies and just put up your work on the internet.
Yeah. So that people know that you can do this. People
also,
know you. Now the entrance exam is around the corner. We have received a lot of DMs for also, and I have also received a lot of DMs. So what will be your tips to people who will be giving the entrance this year in the next few days?
Competition तो बढ़ रहा है every year, because the amount of people who wants to get into NIF बहुत ही ज़्यादा हो रहा है, but not to scare you. If you're good enough, you're worthy enough, you'll definitely, pass.
You'll nail it. No matter how hard you've worked, but the deciding factor will be those 5 hours. So it might get into your favor or not get into your favor, because there's this luck factor also that works, which I feel मेरे साथ भी हुआ था. Yeah, कि I expected so much from myself and then I did not end up doing that good. So that thing did. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and all the best for your entrance. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to both of our channels, and we'll see you very soon. And you can comment down below if you want to see Sandhya more, and of what should we make next.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Bye.